Thank you, Madam Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, and we have special guests here, including my friends. Raising children with character has been my great concern. Part of the reason is because I have 3 children. I see them day by day. I saw the issues we needed to address. In my previous 2 speeches, I presented 2 very important principles of raising children with character, and also 3 character traits. Today I would like to present a little bit more about focusing on parent side. Number 1, make it priority. In my previous speech, I talked about the 1 principle. It's talking about rule without relationship leads to disobedience. I would like to specify a little bit more about the relationship. Relationship is very important. In order to make it happen, the first thing I will say should make it priority to build up the relationship. That means we need to consider the relationship is important. This is number 1. Second, we should put into actions. And the third one, as a parents, we should be gracious. Gracious and loving to the children. Making priority means not only we make it importance, we will also make sure that the children know we care about them. If we think this is important, the children will feel loved and feel cared. This is very important, but it is not easy, especially for us, parents, those who are very busy. I would like to use one of the illustrations to share the importance and also how we can make it. For example, one night after a meeting last week, my son said to me, "Dad, can we play ping pong before I go to bed?" I was really hesitating because I feel a little bit tired after the long meeting. But after thinking about that, I thought that is a good opportunity for me to make it priority. After a little pause, I told him, "Yes, let's go." We played 2 games that night. From my son's face and his response, I can tell he really enjoyed the games. Not only that, he also feels the pressure, father and son getting together. I think that is important. So we both cherish that moment. For me, I thought that was a good decision I made, even though I was tired. That being said, making it a priority is very important. The second one is, after we talk about commitment, we need to put into action. In that case, I would say, as a parent, we should act as a role model to our children. Because in one of the presentations, I said, we teach our children the believing system. Belief or faith without this is dead. Same as the body without soul is dead. When we believe making priority is important, if we don't put in action, that means dead. For me, putting action means we, as a parent, should show them we can do it, and then we actually did it. We actually do it. This is what we call the role example, or role model example to our children. For example, when I got, say, 30 minutes game time for my boy, my son said, "Dad, why my sister got longer time to play game?" Then I had to explain to him, when your sister was at your age, she even didn't have a computer game to play. Now you do have. This is a good opportunity for you, my son, to learn how to discipline yourself. We did increase game playing time from 15 minutes to 20 minutes, and now 30 minutes. Sometimes we being gracious to give 40 minutes, depends on the day, homework, and so on. And also, since my son raised up this question, that is also an example or an opportunity for his sisters to act as a role model to his younger brother. That would be another thing. The third one will be gracious and love. In my family, we have something called an appeal process. What that means is, for example, if my son was playing a game in the middle, but time is up, 30 minutes, what he has to do? Give up right away, or he just continue without letting us know? The appeal process is, my son is allowed to continue to finish the game by asking us, may I appeal to play a few more minutes? There will be a great time for them, for my children, to feel we care about them, we love them, we give us the opportunity. We are not that stubborn, but we do discipline seriously. As a summary, a lot of ways to discipline our children, raise them with character. I believe those principles is important. With action, showing example as a role model, and also being caring, loving, and gracious. I believe that will help my own children to be children with character. Thank you, Madam President.